XG. Who knew that XG was gonna come back so soon?
I know.
It feels like they've been filling us with those covers.
They've been treating us very well with those
remixes.
Remixes. And now it's Girl Gang.
Girl Gang.
Girl Gang.
Pre-release.
Can I be part of your Girl Gang?
Now, I think we're just gonna listen to the song first and then probably look at the lyrics later.
Let's go.
Play my intro.
Play.
Well, if you guys didn't know, this is my girlfriend, Hejin. Your bias is Judia or Judin?
Judin and Judy.
Both.
Yes. Hinata's my bias wrecker.
First of all, there better be a music video, but it's just a pre-release, so let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
Ooh. Hey, nasty with it.
Okay. Party. Hey, hey, hey.
Ain't here to play. Hey.
Can't join the club. Hey. Oh, let's change up.
Okay.
Don't let him fool you.
The horn going.
The horn's about to come.
Waiting for the drop.
Oh. Oh, I see what you're doing.
Hey.
Hey, for that tour, this place.
Hey. Ooh.
Ooh. Okay, Harvey. Hey. 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 Ooh. Oh. Hey. Hey.
Ooh. Yes, ma'am.
Ha. Ha. Oh, she get it. She get it. Hey.
Ooh.
Okay. Don't let it fool you.
This is like when they're like walking down the hallway looking badass.
Sirens in the background. Ooh, female empire. Women, women.
Okay.
Heavy hitters.
Give it winners. For the realest.
Ooh, that little delay too. Yeah, it's an anthem. Girl Gang. Ah. Hey. Hey, play.
Hey.
Yeah. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, that's a bounce.
Damn, that was a vibe.
Oh, Girl Gang.
Hey.
That was something different. Okay, you can't imagine it's like a.
I hope they
beginning
have
of
a
the tour.
video for this.
It's a pre-release, so we don't even know if this is a title track.
Ooh.
So this is like, I don't know.
Ooh, that was fire.
That was pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm always nervous. Like, oh, it's like, are they gonna match like the last one? And I'm like, oh, they still give it's a different type of energy from the rest.
I know, seriously.
So it's like more of like Girl Gang shit.
This is very different from all of their other releases.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's look through this one more time, more analytically.
Yes.
For sure.
This is gonna help.
We're gonna have the lyrics up right here.
Ooh.
Second run. So it starts off with Kokona.
It does.
A band of hitters.
Ooh.
Oh, and Juden is the ad-lib.
Ooh, okay.
And Harvey's the I test. The party. Nah.
Hey,
Let's go, Harvey. Yeah, Chisa. I can tell. Ooh, Juden.
I like that part a lot.
Get. Hey.
Ham with it.
Got ham with it. Ooh, Julia, yeah.
Let's go, Harvey. Yeah, we do 7.
Hey. Oh, Juden is my. Oh, there's a music video.
Oh, yeah, never pick fights with the girl game. Never pick fights with the girl game. Hey.
Rolling with queens and the female empire. Woo. Let's go, Harvey.
I'll get back. Oh.
Ooh. Get stacks.
But you can't match these stats. Try to catch up and stay one step ahead.
Ooh, Juden.
Can't rack up these checks. Give it a shot, but you learn it finesse.
Ooh.
Confident chicks with a whole new swagger. Boom.
Ha.
Level so high, gonna need that ladder.
Ooh.
Extra hot, yummy, yummy.
At the pot. Hey, I love that. I love that
You
part.
know you're learning now.
Let's go, Harvey.
So flat, my God.
Coconut.
You know we unlock.
Ooh.
Styling like ice.
Ooh.
Hey, yeah.
Let these pretty faces
Ooh, yeah.
savage underneath.
Underneath.
Yeah.
There's no limit, nothing that we can't do.
Dude.
Whatever the problem,
Hey.
we know how to solve.
Get it.
One flow.
Hustle game.
Never pick fights with the
Okay,
girl
okay.
game.
Ladies are
Hey.
female and
Hey. Workflow. Hustle game. Never pick fights with the girl game. Hey.
Ladies on fire, rolling with queens of the female empire.
heavy hitters,
Ooh.
gang of winners.
Gang winners.
Put 'em up
Put them up.
for the realest.
Ho, 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 ho.
Ad-libs on point.
Ooh, they gonna see us when
Help
we
me
come
come
in.
in.
What flow? Hustle gang. Never pick fights with the girl gang. I'm a lady on fire, rolling with queens of the female empire. Ooh.
Hustle gang,
That go hard.
pick fights with the girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with queens is a female and
Fire.
hard every day.
Hey.
Me and my girls in
Hey.
here to play. Baddest, baddest, yeah.
Eee.
Only on room for the baddest. Ooh.
Ooh, we need a music video for this.
Ooh, so
We need a music video
good.
for this.
Like, imagine with the fucking
Yeah,
their
exactly. There
outfits
has to
that
be
they
one
can
already
join.
made. A
Sorry,
dance practice
Sorry
or
for my
performance.
cursing.
The
that
outfit,
they have
yeah.
on with.
You know, that's
and
just
then
gonna be
you know the
and then-
dancing.
Yeah.
Ooh, and
I'm
you
excited.
best believe I'm gonna learn that dance.
Well, supposedly the mini album will come out soon too, actually. So I don't know.
That was fire.
That was fire. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Still excited, like, for the next thing.
Yes.
Let's go.
Woo,
Girl gang.
Girl gang.
That whole chorus was fire.
Yeah, that was fire.
cool. Like, it's something that I'll probably bump again, like, a lot.
We already listened to XG in the car.
I
all
know
the
that's
time.
it's always a good. It's always a go-to. It's always
It's
a
a
go-to,
banger.
even if you don't even know about XG. Say, oh, check this out. It's easy. XG, you make it so easy for me to just show it to my friends. God, we love you. Anyways, we're gonna go listen to this. I'm gonna go edit this. Let's go. Get it? A, get it? You know. A, she knows. She knows.
Thank you.
Go check out XG Girl Gang.
Yay!
If you haven't
Girl
already.
gang.
And I'll see you guys next time.
Next time. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.